Yo, what is going on, family? This your boy Ant. Fixing to take me and Black Knight, fixing to roll on out to Priceville. We fixing to go to a car show, and from that we're gonna do some filming. So we'll see you on the GoPro when we get there.